Okay, here. It's on. All you have to do is keep the helicopter in frame. Can you see it in that?
Yeah.
Does it look a little teeny?
Yeah, it looks like a little. You only have 10 minutes to record?
Oh yeah, it should be. Those are cheap-ass Sam's Club batteries, but it should be 10 minutes. I don't think I'm going to be in the air for 10 minutes, though. I forgot to start the clock.
You did?
Yeah.
So what does that mean?
Well, I could start it right now, maybe.
Six more minutes left.
4 minutes left.
It's like 6.
How do you know?
Because it says right here on the camera.
Oh, it tells you how much time is left on the video?
No?
Oh, it shows you the time on the video?
Yeah.
Oh, I did not know that.
No, like, cause see,
You're not videoing the helicopter though.
Cause see, it says 6:29. That means that you have that much time to fly to record.
Oh. That's sounds awesome, huh?
Yeah. Ding! You're going too fast. Good job. Very, 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 very cool. Ooh. You're done 5 minutes.
You're not videotaping the helicopter.
I can't see
You're
it.
videoing everything but the helicopter.
No. Videoing the helicopter.
Some videographer you are. You can't keep that in frame?
No, he's not too fast. My arm's getting tired, that's why kind
You'll
of.
have to fly like real slow. Is that slow enough for you?
Yeah. I'm getting tired and stuff.
You're tired.
Yeah. You've done 4 minutes. Oh my God.
The sun's not out, so I would have lost that one. Going behind me like that.
Oh man.
Damn bugs.
3 minutes left. You gonna land it?
Can you hear it beeping?
Yeah.
Is it tripping, really?
I don't know, I think.
I can't hear it. Oh, maybe it is.
Yeah.
Okay, let's land it. Walk, get away from it. Why don't you walk up to it? Cut your knees off.
No,
Cut your kneecaps off. Okay, you can stop it now.
That was very cool. How do you stop it?
I'll put that on YouTube. Just close the door, just push this. This one's supposed to